What if I told you that living frugally doesn't mean you have to give up the things you love? Today, we're going to talk about how you can save money while still living a full, rich life, without feeling like you're depriving yourself. If you're ready to take control of your finances without sacrificing your happiness, you're in the right place. Keep watching for my top tips on living a frugal lifestyle that still allows you to enjoy life to the fullest. Tip 1. Living frugally isn't about cutting back on everything. It's about focusing your spending on what truly brings you joy. Identify your priorities and allocate your budget accordingly. Ask yourself, what experiences or things make me happiest? Spend less on things you don't care about, and put more money toward what truly adds value to your life. Tip 2. One of the best ways to reset your spending habits is by doing a no-spend challenge. This challenge can be for a week, a month, or longer, where you only spend money on essentials. Plan a no-spend week or month and track your progress. This challenge helps you evaluate your spending habits and figure out what you can cut out without feeling deprived. Tip 3. Instead of spending money on expensive hobbies, find free or low-cost alternatives. There are plenty of enjoyable activities that won't break the bank. Explore hobbies like hiking, reading, or learning a new skill online through free platforms like YouTube or Coursera. You can even enjoy free local events like concerts in the park or community festivals. Tip 4. The library is a goldmine for frugal living. You can borrow books, movies, ebooks, audiobooks, and even take free classes. Check out your local library and see what it offers. It's a perfect way to enjoy entertainment without spending a dime. Tip 5. When shopping, focus on buying fewer high-quality items rather than cheaper, low-quality ones. Investing in durable goods can save you money in the long run. Buy things that last, like a good pair of shoes or well-made furniture, instead of constantly replacing cheap items that wear out quickly. Tip 6. Thrift shopping can be a goldmine for high-quality items at a fraction of the price. It's the perfect place to find gently used clothes, furniture, and even electronics. Make a regular habit of visiting thrift stores and check out online resale platforms like Poshmark or ThredUp for great deals. Tip 7. Cooking in bulk is one of the best ways to save money on food. You can prepare meals ahead of time and freeze them for later use. Set aside a few hours each week to prep your meals in bulk. Invest in a good set of containers, and you'll always have affordable homemade meals on hand. Tip 8. Having clear financial goals helps you stay motivated and focused on your frugal lifestyle. Whether it's saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund, goals provide direction. Write down your financial goals and break them into smaller, achievable milestones. Track your progress regularly and adjust as necessary. Tip 9. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on vacations. Staycations are a great way to enjoy time off without the travel expenses. Turn your home into a relaxing retreat. Cook fun meals at home, enjoy local sights, or plan a day to unwind in your backyard with a picnic. Tip 10. Impulse buying can eat away at your budget. It's easy to get caught up in the moment, but with a few simple tricks, you can reduce those spur-of-the-moment purchases. Use the 24-hour rule. Wait a full day before buying anything you didn't plan for. This simple trick can help you avoid impulse purchases and give you time to consider whether it's worth it. I hope these tips help you live a frugal lifestyle without feeling like you're sacrificing all the good things in life. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a new frugal living tip. And if you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel.